All right, this is the last part of Life on Earth and Beyond. It'll be super quick. So once again, I just want to remind you that this is actually considered a sidebar, even though it looks like it's part of the page. Usually when you would see these in magazines, it'd be over to the side. So I'm just going to read it and go through it, and hopefully this will help you understand the story better. Water is the host with the most. Unless lost in a desert, we take water for granted. After all, it falls from the sky and we flush it down the drain. But liquid water is a remarkable substance. Water is the essential molecule in the chemistry of life on Earth. Imagine that life is a big party, and the most important element of life, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and phosphorus, are the guests. Water is the host. Water is the one who gathers all the guests together and introduces them to each other. Water makes sure everyone's comfy. Neither is too hot nor too cold. Without water, the chemicals necessary for life couldn't find each other, mix with each other, and react with each other. Life would never happen. In the party of life, water is the life of the party. So this whole sidebar is kind of like a metaphor, and it's comparing life to being a party host. So if you've ever been to a party and the person in charge of the party who's like always wanting everybody to be happy, do you have enough to drink? Do you have enough to eat? Are you comfortable? Too hot? Too cold? Are you playing games? It's comparing that. Water is that person always checking in with the others to make sure that everything can happen. So basically this is saying is that without water, there is no party. There's no other things happening. I hope that helps you understand this, and I will be back to go over some of the other questions for the comprehension check.